Tired of transaction issues or technical glitches on TapTap? This video will walk you through, step by step, how to easily contact and get help from their customer support team. First, open the TapTap app on your mobile device or navigate to the TapTap website on your computer. The process is similar for both. Look at the home screen, where several options are displayed. Next, locate the Help or Support section. This is usually found in the bottom navigation bar, or in the menu or Settings section. Select the one that says Help, Customer Support, or something similar. Within the Help or Support section, you'll usually encounter a list of frequently asked questions, FAQs, or a search bar. Before contacting support, try searching for your issue. It can potentially solve your issue instantly. Type in keywords related to your problem. If you can't find a solution in the FAQs, look for a Contact Us option. This could be a button, a form, or a link. Click on that option. You might then be prompted to describe your issue in detail. This will take you to a form where you'll provide your contact information, such as your email address. Choose a subject that best describes your problem, and then describe it accurately in the provided description box. The more details you give, the better they can help you. Carefully review the information you entered and then click the Submit button. This will send your inquiry to TapTap's customer support team. Usually, they will respond within 2 business days. After submitting your inquiry, you'll receive a confirmation message, or possibly a confirmation email confirming the issue's successful submission. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates from their support team. And that's it. You've successfully contacted TapTap customer support. Remember to be patient and provide as much information as possible to get the best possible assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.